Hi there, it's Carter from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your project defaults. So to begin, as you can see, I'm just on my BricsCAD start page here. All my projects are all lined up here, and I'm just going to pick a random one here. As your project opens up, you can see this window pops up called General Configuration Options. This is your project defaults. As you can see, when you open up a project, you can change it to whatever you want. Now, if you already opened up a project and you want to change that later, if you go over to the MS Tools ribbon, and then all the way on the left there it says Job Defaults. It's the same window. But also, as you can see at the bottom there, if you change any of these settings and want to keep that as your default for any other new projects, you can click that little Set These Defaults as Permanent, and then press OK. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a second, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe. Helps us keep making videos like this. If you have any other questions, you can reach us at 1-888-286-3204, or you can visit us on our website at bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching.